Dear student, this is the last curve, that is fitting of a second degree parabola. So in the earlier video we learned the fitting of a straight line, fitting of a geometric curve or exponential form. This is the last curve, that is a parabola. So fitting of a second degree parabola, y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So here also same, first we write the normal equation. Depending on the normal equation we prepare the table and then put the summation of x, x square, x cube, x raised to 4, x summation of x, y, then summation of x square, y value, then simplify, we find a, b, c, then put a, b, c value here. So that curve is the best fit among the given data. So this is a procedure. So let us write the normal equation for the parabola. So here first multiply the summation. For this we get the summation of y equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x plus n into c. So again multiply x for this, we get summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x cube plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x. So here multiply x to obtain the third normal equation. So summation of x square y equal to a into summation of x raised to 4 plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x square. So in the straight line and the exponential curve there are two normal equation. In the parabola, so there are three unknowns are there. So here we write the three normal equation. In the straight line and the exponential there are two constants are there, a and b. So we write the two normal equation. Here a, b, c, three unknowns are there. So we write the three normal equation. So same as here, multiply the summation first, then multiply x for this, multiply x for this. So on solving these simultaneous equation, we obtain the a, b, c. Similarly, if the parabola of the form y is equal to a plus bx plus c x square. So one is ax square plus bx plus c. So one more is y equal to a plus bx plus c x square. So first here also we write the normal equation. Its normal equation become multiply summation. For this equation we get summation of y equal to n into a plus b into summation of x plus c into summation of x square. To write the second normal equation, multiply x here, we get summation of xy equal to a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x cube. So multiply x here, we get summation of x square y equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x raised to 4. On solving these equation, we obtain the value a, b, c, then put here, that is the best fit of the curve among the given data. So this is a procedure. Here also first write the normal equation, then prepare the normal table, then summation of x, summation of x square, x cube, x raised to 4, summation of xy, x square y, put here and simplify. So it is a procedure. So let us solve the example. Fit a parabola y equal to a plus bx plus c x square given the data. X values are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, y 4.63, 2.11, 0.67, 0.09, 0.63, 2.15, 4.58. So for this data we have to fit the best fit among the parabola. For this data, by using these data we find a, b, c. So that curve is best fit among these data. So first write the normal equation. The normal equation for best fitting curve y equal to a plus bx plus c x square r. So multiply summation, we get summation of y equal to n into a plus b into summation of x plus c into summation of x square. Then multiply x for this, we get summation of xy equal to a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x cube. Again multiply x to obtain third normal equation. We get a into summation of x square, b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x raised to 4 equal to summation of x square into y. I have written summation of y, summation of xy, summation x square right hand side. To write in the calc it is easy. Otherwise you write in this LHS side and this will be RHS side. Both will be same. Then here n denotes the number of given data. So here given data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. Then depending on the normal equation, we prepare the normal table. We require summation of x square, summation of y, summation of x cube, summation of xy, summation of x square y, then summation of x raised to 4. So for this summation, we prepare the table. X is given, y is given, we find x square, because we require summation of capital X square. So x square means minus 3 square is 9, minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1. So like that 3 square is 9. So x cube means cube of this, minus 3 cube is minus 27, minus 2 cube is minus 8, like that 3 cube is 27. X raised to 4 means 4th root of x column we get minus 3 raised to 4 is 81, minus 2 raised to 4 is 16. So like that 3 raised to 4 is 81. Then xy is there next column. So multiply these two, we get minus 3 into 4.63, we get minus 13.89. So minus 2 into 2.11, we get minus 4.22, like that. 3 into 4.8, we get 13.74. Then one more column is there, x square into y. So multiply these two columns, x square into y. 4.63 into 9, we get 41.67. 2.11 into 4, we get 8.44. So like that 4.58 into 9, we get 41.22. Then find the summation of each column. So summation of x is 0, summation of y is equal to 14.86, summation of x square is 28, summation of x cube is 0, summation of x raised to 4 is 196, summation of xy is minus 0.11, summation of x square y is 101.23. So put all the summation value in the normal equation, we get n into a, so that is 7 into a. Summation of y is 14.86, 14.86 equal to n into a, 7 into a plus b into summation of x. Summation of x is 0, so we have not written here. C into summation of x square, summation of x square is 28, 28 into c. So next is summation of xy, summation of xy is minus 0.11, minus 0.11 equal to a into summation of x is 0, we have not written, plus b into summation of x square is 28, 28 into b plus c into summation of x cube is 0, so I have written 0. Then the third normal equation is summation of x square y, 101.23 equal to a into x square value is 28, so 28 8 into a plus b into x cube is 0, that is 0. C into summation of x raised to 4, summation of x raised to 4 is 196, 196 into c. So on solving these equation, we obtain a equal to 0.1329, b equal to minus 0.00393, c equal to 0.4975. Put a, b, c value in given parabola. So we get y equal to 0.1329 minus 0.00393 into x plus 0.4975 x square. So it is the best fitting curve among given data. So put by given data, we find the best fit curve among given data. So this is a parabola. So solve one more example. Fit a second degree polynomial that fit to the following data. Data are x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, y 1, 1.8, 1.3, 2.5, 6.3. So by using this data, we find the best fit curve for the parabola. So here they have not mentioned the parabola, so you have to take any one parabola. So here you take any one parabola, then simplify. So here they have not given the parabola, we have considered y equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Then for this parabola we write the normal equation. So parabola means 3 unknowns, we get the 3 normal equation. So multiply summation for this. So we get summation of y equal to n into a plus b into summation of plus c into summation of x square. So again multiply summation x for this, we get a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x cube equal to summation of xy. So again multiply x here, we get a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x raised to 4 equal to summation of x square y. So depending on the normal equation, we prepare the table. We require summation of x square, summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x cube, summation of x raised to 4, then summation of x square y. So to get this value, we prepare the table. This is the table. X is given, y is given. X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is 1, 1.8, 1.3, 2.5, 6.3. So find the column x square. So 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So x cube means cube of 0 cube is 0, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 4 cube is 64. Similarly, x raised to 4 means 4th root of this. 0 raised to 4 is 0, 1 raised to 4 is 1, 2 raised to 4 is 16. So like that 4 raised to 4 is 256. Then next column is xy. Multiply this. 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 1.8 is 1.8, 2 into 1.3 is 2.6. So similarly 4 into 6.3 is 25.2. Next column is x square into y. So x square into y, multiply these two. 1 into 0 is 0, 1.8 into 1 is 1.8, 1.3 into 4 is 5.2, 6.3 into 16 is 100.8. Then calculate the summation. Summation of x is 10, summation of y is 12.9, summation of x square is 30, summation of x cube is 100, summation of x raised to 4 is 354, summation of xy is 37.1, summation of x square y is 130.3. So next step is put all the summation value in the normal equation. The normal equation become, by taking n is equal to 5 here, n is equal to 5 means number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or given data. We write the normal equation 5 into a plus 10 into b, summation of x is 10, 10 into b plus summation of x square is 30, 30 into c equal to summation of y is 12.9. So a into summation of x is 10, 10 into a plus b into summation of x square is 30, 30 into b plus x cube in summation of x cube into c, summation of x cube is 100, 100 into c equal to 37.1. Similarly here a into summation of x square is 30, b into summation of x cube, that is 100 into b, c into summation of x raised to 4, that is 354 into c, summation of x square y is 130.3. So on solving these three equations by using calci, we get a value is 1.42, b value is minus 1.07, c value is 0.55. So put a, b, c value in the given parabola, we get y is equal to 1.42 minus 1.07 into x plus 0.55 x square. So this is the best fitting curve among these points. So let us solve one more example. Fit a second degree parabola y is equal to x square plus bx plus c in the least square sense for the following data, and hence estimate y at x equal to 6. The data are x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y 10, 12, 13, 16, 19. The first step is we write the normal equation for the given curve. The normal equation associated with y equal to ax square plus bx plus c is, first multiply summation for this to obtain first normal equation. Summation of y equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. So c is constant, we multiply data n into c. Then multiply x for this to obtain second normal equation. Summation of xy equal to a into summation of x cube plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x. Then multiply x for this to obtain third normal equation. Summation of x square y equal to a into summation of x raised to 4 plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x square. So these are the normal equation. So depending on the normal equation, we prepare the normal table or table to get the value of summation of y, summation of x square, summation of x, summation of x cube, summation of x raised to 4, summation of x square y. So let us prepare the table. So here n is equal to 5 means number of data taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5. So let us prepare the table. X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y is 10, 12, 13, 16, 19. So xy is, multiply this, 1 into 10 will be 10, 2 into 12 is 24, 3 into 13 is 39, 4 into 16 is 64, 5 into 19 is 95. Then x square y, square this and multiply this. So you get 1 square is 1, 1 into 10 will be 10, 2 square is 4, 4 into 12 is 48, 3 square is 9, 9 into 13 is 117, 4 square is 16, 16 into 16 is 256, 5 square is 25, 25 into 19 is 475. Next x square column, square this, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, like that 5 square is 25. X cube, cube this, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, like that 5 cube is 125. X raised to 4 column, fourth root of this, 1 raised to 4 is 1, 2 raised to 4 is 16, like that 5 raised to 4 is 625. Next add each column to obtain the summation. So summation of x is 15, summation of y is 70, summation of xy is 232, summation of x square y is 906, summation of x square is 55, summation of x cube is 225, summation of x is to 4 is 979. Then put this summation value in the normal equation. We get a into summation of x square, that is 55 is there, 55a, plus b into summation of x, that is summation of x is 15, 15 into b, plus n into c, n is 5, 5 into c equal to summation of y is, that is 70. So this is the first normal equation. Then second is a into summation of x cube, summation of x cube is 225, 225 into a, plus b into summation of x square, that is 55 into b, plus c into summation of x is 15, 15 into c equal to 232, that is summation of xy is 232. Then last normal equation, a into summation of x is to 4 is, that is 979, 979 into a, plus x summation of x cube into b, summation of x cube is 225, 225 into b, plus c into summation of x square is 55, 55 into c equal to 906. So these are the normal equation by substituting the sum of these, and n is equal to 5. On solving by using calci, we get a is equal to 0.29, b is equal to 0.49, c is equal to 9.4. Thus the required second degree parabola is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Put a, b, c value here. Y equal to 0.29 into square plus 0.49 into x plus 9.4. So put x equal to 4 here. So in the question they have mentioned, hence estimate y at x equal to 6. First find the best fit curve, then after that put x equal to 6. So it is the best fit curve for the given data. Then put x equal to 6 here, we get y is equal to 22.78. So it is a fitting of a parabola. So let us take one more example. Fit a parabola y equal to a plus bx plus cx square for the following data. So data of x and y is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Y is 2, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 11, 10, 9. Then first step to solve, you know that we write the normal equation. So let y equal to a plus bx plus cx square be the parabola. So write the normal equation. So first write the normal equation, multiply summation for this, we get summation of y equal to n into a. So here multiply n because a is constant, so any constant we cannot calculate direct value, so multiply data. So n is the given data, the number of terms, n is to a plus b into summation of x plus c into summation of x square. So we must take summation for this. Next multiply x for this, we get summation of xy equal to a into summation of x. So n is replaced by summation of x. Now we know the summation of x from the given data, so n is replaced. Initially we don't know, so we have taken a. So b into summation of x square plus c into summation of x cube. Again multiply x here, we get summation of x square y equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x raised to 4. So n means here number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is equal to 9. So let us prepare the table. So x is given, y is given, so multiply xy. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 7, 21, 4 into 8, 32, like that, 9 into 9, 81. So x square into y. So 1 square is 1, 1 into 2 will be 2, 2 square is 4, 4 into 6 will be 24, 3 square will be 9, 9 into 7 will be the 63, 4 square is 16, 16 into 8 will be 128. So like that, 9 square is 81, 81 into 9 will be the 790. Next column is x square. Square this, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, like that 9 square is 81. X cube. So cube this column, we get 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. So like that 9 cube is 729. So x raised to 4 column can be obtained by taking the fourth root of to this column. 1 raised to 4 is 1, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 3 raised to 4 is 81, 4 raised to 4 is 256. So 9 raised to 4 is 6561. So add each column to obtain summation. So summation of x is 45, summation of y is 74, summation of xy is 421, summation of x square is 2771, summation of x square is 285, summation of x cube is 2025, summation of x raised to 4 is 15333. So put these summation value in the normal equation like previous. We get 9a plus 45b plus 285c equal to 74, 45a plus 285b plus 2025 into c equal to 421, 285a plus 2025 into b plus 15303 into c equal to 2771. On solving, we get a equal to minus 0.92857, b equal to 3.52316, and c equal to minus 0.26732. So put a, b, c value in the given parabola. We get y equal to minus 0.92857 plus 3.5232x plus the c value is minus 0.2673 x squared. So it is a best fit curve for this data. So here in the parabola the same procedure. The parabola may be a plus bx plus cx square or ax square bx plus c. So by using this method we solve the all type of example. So this is a method to solve the fitting of a parabola. So this complete the model. Then in the one more model is remaining. So in the next video we will learn that is model 5, that is sampling theory and joint probability. So this complete the model, curve fitting and regression. Thank you.